Are you interested in scale models? You might be interested in this one. This one is a scale model of the New Shepard rocket that flies astronauts on suborbital flights for Blue Origin. This is a scale model. It's approximately 1/66 scale. It comes pre-assembled, so basically all you have to do is attach the plastic fin unit right here and attach the parachute that's inside right here. So there's no other decorating or painting that you need to do. It's already done. To launch this rocket, you do need to use the plastic fin unit. Without these, the rocket's going to go unstable and it's probably going to hurt somebody. So make sure you always fly with the plastic fin unit. To get it ready for launch, you'll take a rocket motor, not included, and then you'll just slide it into the back of the rocket like that. Take the fin unit, just drop it on, and it also comes with this cap that you just screw on. So basically I just hold it and then spin the rocket and it attaches really fast, just like that. And then the rocket is ready to launch. It also comes with this display stand. So if you don't want to have the clear plastic fins on it while you're displaying it, you can put it into the display stand like this. Again, take the cap, put it on the bottom, twist it, and there you go. The rocket is ready to launch. So this is the Estes New Shepard rocket. You'll find it here at Apogee Components. Our web address is apogeerockets.com. So that's the New Shepard.